Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but quarantine's got everyone stuck in the house, so I thought let me just get out some videos. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did a foam roller set. So I'm starting by sectioning out my hair. My hair is super knotty, but story of my life. I'm starting on dry hair today, so I'm going to need to spray every section with water. So here comes my spray bottle. So after I wet my hair, I'm going to go in with the As I Am Twist Defining Cream and work that in. Get out my Denman brush to really make sure I get it on all the strands. Then you want to start flat twisting the hair against your head and then twisting all the way down to the end before you put on your foam roller. As you can see, I did not care about the partings. I didn't even use a comb. It doesn't matter if they're straight or not. No one's going to see this when you take your hair out. So here's a closer look at how I spray my hair with the water and how I apply the twist defining cream. So the back twists I did going backwards towards my neck, and the front twists I'm going to do towards my face, so that when I take it out I get that afro that has some of the hair covering my forehead, if you know what I mean. If anyone was wondering why the bristles of my Denman brush are brown, I basically did a henna treatment and I brushed my hair whilst it was in and it stained the bristles. Super annoying, but it still gets the job done. So now I've got my hair all twisted and the foam rollers at the ends of the twists. I think I used about 12 and I'm just going to let it dry and go to bed. So I left them in overnight and now I'm going to take them down. I just knew these were not ready to take down yet. And I could feel that some of the twists were still juicy, still kind of damp, but I took them down anyway. So I didn't get the results that I really wanted, but it still looks cute. At the end, I'm going to put in another clip of when I took the foam rollers down when the hair was completely dry. So this video is kind of like a two-part tutorial, how to get juicy foam roller curls and how to get dry foam roller curls. So when you're taking down the twists, you want to try and take them out as carefully as you can. I put oil on my fingertips so that I can slide through the hair. You want to do this so that you reduce frizz and maintain the defined curls. So here I'm just showing you guys a section of my hair that was still kind of damp, so I'm just going to leave it alone. So you want to go through and separate the curls as carefully as you can so that we can get some more volume, and after this I'm going to comb out my roots. So right now it's just looking hella juicy, it kind of damp in some areas, so you don't really want to touch it too much. If it was totally dry, I'd be fluffing it all the way out. So this was the finished look. You can compare the dry set with this juicy set. Let me know in the comments which set you guys prefer. I personally prefer the dry set, but at least I know I can make it work if my twists don't totally dry. So here is the dry set. I filmed this on my phone for my Instagram, but I've put this in here so that you guys can see what it looks like. I actually did this set overnight too, over just one night, but you know how natural hair gets sometimes, it's hit and miss. You just have to wait until your hair's totally dry before you take your twists down. So when I did this set, it was the first time I had ever done foam rollers, and I was so hyped. When I saw that twist, when I saw that ringlet, I was like, whoa, I love this. I even did it on my mom the next day. So guys, if you try this, I recommend that you wait until it's totally dry. You can tell because when you squeeze it, you can feel the product.